Hello, I'm John from The Final Third. Welcome to the channel. If you're like me, you're just starting out on your YouTube journey and you're finding it a bit of a minefield trying to find your way around the different things of uploading videos, editing and all the rest of it. You may have come across a few videos asking you to, or suggesting you should put chapters in your videos. Now I've seen this a few times, didn't really know how to do it, so I watched quite a few videos and kind of taught myself. Now hopefully I can do the same for someone else of adding chapters to a video. It's quite simple, but there's a few kind of things you need to remember. The first one is each chapter needs to be around 10 seconds long and you need a minimum of 3 of them in the video. And they need to be, I think it's at least 10 seconds apart. Generally I leave mine a minute or 2 apart and that's enough. Anyway, I'm going to pop over onto the computer now and show you how I add them to my videos. Right, so we're over here now on the video. I'm on the channel. It's a train channel, this one, Twin Rover it's called, and it is one of mine, so there's a disclaimer there. Now it's only been going a while, this one, and it's got a few videos coming up now, and it's just really basically travelling on the London Underground, this one, and going from station to station. So anyway, we're going to click on this video here and open it up, and as you can see we've got our title. I'm just going to highlight the mouse so you can see. So you've got King's Cross St Pancras to Walthamstow Central. Now they're 2 stations on the London Underground for those that are not familiar with it. Now there's a number of stops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in total. Now I do get comments on these videos saying could you put timestamps on the station so people can click in and out of the video and have a look at the different ones. So what you want to do, the first one you have to put 0:00. Now in this case I put 00. I just find it easier to do it that way. So 00:00, and then you name the first one, King's Cross St Pancras. And then when you get to the second stop, whatever time that is when it arrives there. Now you do this manually, you'd put that in. In this case it's Highbury and Islington. So what you can do is go over to here and you can see the time is there. It's 21 minutes and 21 seconds. So I've already done these before, so I know that they are 6:40. So what you do manually, you go along to at 6:40 or just before 6:38. Just go to 6:35. You play. I'll turn the volume down because it's a bit noisy. These trains. And there it is. It's pulled into the station there. Highbury and Islington. You can see the station there. 6:40. Which is right there. Now again, this next one would be 9 minutes at Finsbury Park. So again, we'd play that or just bring it along to 9 minutes. Now these stations are quite close by in London, so it's generally every 2 minutes, but as long as they're more than 10 seconds, as I was saying, then it's fine. They will work, and as long as you've got more than 3. Now in this case, we've got 6 or 7. So that's the second one. The doors are opening at the new station. That's 9:03 there. I'll put it in at 9 minutes. The next one is 12:30. Hover along. 12:29. And there you go. It's just stopping at the station. The doors are open. So it's 12:37 there, but I'll put it 12:30, just as it was coming into the station. I think most of the people, my viewers, like to see it, the train pulling in at the station. So there you have it. That's how you do them, and then you would come over onto your channel. You can then just play it. These should all be highlighted, all these stamps. So if you go down here, it'll have all your timestamps. Now you can hover over any one of these, it'll be highlighted in blue. If you wanted to go to a particular station, you just click on it and it will take you straight there. And also you'll see the timestamps down below. I'm just going to refresh this page because I've just done some changes to it. There you go. So if you hover over it, you can see where the bar goes slightly thicker. That's each station there, and they're named as you can see. So we got King's Cross, Highbury and Islington, Finsbury Park, Seven Sisters, Black Horse Road and Walthamstow Central. Now if you click on more down here, you'll actually see the chapters down below, so it's really good for people that are very interested in the different parts of London, the stations and stuff. A lot of children do watch these type of videos. They're very interested in the London Underground and the station. So if they like a particular station, or if they come from a particular one, they can just click on it and that'll take them directly to that station or that portion of the video. And that's it. So you can just click anywhere you want. You can click on these chapters and it'll bring you to any one in there. Now a common mistake, I just thought I'd show you, is when you do these, it will need to be a colon, not a semicolon, but a semicolon. So for instance, if you put 16 semicolon in there, which is very easy to do, I've done it many times myself, we'll just save that. You may think when you've put it into the description that it's all fine, but when you play your video, I'll just refresh that and show you what I mean. We can pause it and go down to the timestamps. You'll notice that all these ones are in blue. They're all in blue there. But this one, Black Horse Road, is in black. Now you may just think, oh, that's odd, why is that one like that? And it's very hard to see unless you look up really close, the problem there. But the reason is you put a semicolon in there and it won't work. So you can click on any one of these, it'll take you straight there, but this one won't. So you just click on it, it won't do anything. And that will be the reason for it. So all you've got to do really is just double check that. Go back into your settings. Have a look, you can see the fault there. I mean, I've done this many times. So you just put the semicolon, or the colon rather than the semicolon. Save it. You can go back to your video then, you see where it's still black, but we'll just refresh that. Let the page load again. And there you go, there it's highlighted again. So it's quite a simple mistake, easily done and easily rectified really. So there you have it, that's how you put the timestamps into a video. So that's pretty much it really, it's quite simple to do. Once I learned it, I thought, oh, that was quite easy really, I didn't see what the problem was. But anyway, I hope it was helpful to some people out there. It was certainly helpful to me when I saw another video of somebody doing it. But they didn't mention that the colon and the semicolon bit, which was causing me a bit of a headache at the time. I didn't know what the reason was. But anyway, I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.